Ready, go.
Good morning, everyone. This is Candace from So Creative in Wenatchee, Washington. I hope everyone had a fun and safe 4th of July. We have some fabric that we're opening today, and you know me and trying to opening boxes, so the box has already been slit open, so we don't have these technical difficulties. We actually are expecting a lot more fabric this week, but with the holiday, we're a little backed up, so bear with us as we get everything out to you guys. But this is from QT Fabric. I'm really excited about this. I picked out this fabric myself, and so I'm super excited. So the first thing is we have some fat quarters, and these are from the Brilliance collection. And they're really bright and beautiful. I believe we have both the warm and the cool colors. Ooh, my gosh, I don't know what I want to make, but I want to make stuff with these. So we're probably going to leave at least one of each package in the full set, and then the rest will go into our fat quarter station, which, remember, we have that special in-store deal on our fat quarters, so come in and check those out. Next thing is patterns, and I'm going to take one of these out. This is the Snowman Greeting pattern, and of course in this box we have the corresponding fabric. I will be teaching a class on this pattern. Let me pull it out of the plastic if that's better. This fall, so give me time to actually make the sample, folks, and then it's going to be a super cute pattern and class that we're going to do, and definitely look for those days and times. Probably not until October is my best guess with what we already have on the schedule. So very excited that these came. So let's look at the corresponding fabric that goes with this and the fabric we'll be using. All right, so we have gray snowmen. Oh my gosh, these are so super cute. Little cardinals, very whimsical. Last year we didn't have a lot of snowmen and people were asking for it, so this year we are trying to deliver. We have a mixture of holly and pine cones and bows. Very fun festival. This is a lot of this. I think this is the big border of that quilt. Anybody like Christmas balls? Christmas ornaments, very festive, a nice little touch. Those are super cute. We have snowman in green, and in the pattern it shows using the gray snowman for, but I think you could substitute the green if you liked it better. It's very adorable. Gives it a little bit more of a Christmassy feel versus a winter feel because it does add the green in there. Last but not least, I'm actually going to open this one up and we're going to look at it together. This is the snowman panel, and we use all the panels in this particular panel, all the little patches except for one, and you can use that to maybe do a matching throw pillow or something else. So let's get enough of this. Oops, I'm going to make a mess. I'm very good at making messes. Of course, we'll get pictures up of these too. Oh, okay. So this is the panel, and you use all the little patches on it except for this one right here, this big snowman. Let me see if I can hold that one up. That is one that we actually do not use in the quilt, but you can make a corresponding throw pillow or wall hanging with it. Other than that, it's super cute. You can do your own designs. I just love this particular panel. It's super adorable. So this is from QT Fabrics and Season's Greetings. Super fun. Come in and look at it at the store. We are going to have a limited time, 24 hours available online on our website, and we will make sure that we get the link to that in the comments of this video. So if you have any questions, please call us at 663-5516 or come visit us at, oh, what is our address again?
1139 North Princeton.
1139 North Princeton Avenue in Wenatchee. And remember, everybody, sew creatively.